Hello, I'm Wade Shealy, founder of Third Home. Do you own a luxury second home? Does it ever sit empty? Would you like to turn those unused weeks into vacations all over the world? I spent the first 28 years of my career in luxury real estate development, sold over $3 billion in luxury homes, helping thousands of families find that perfect second home. I learned that the primary reason that people hesitate in buying that second home is they might want to travel to multiple locations. You know, we all love our second homes. That's where we create our traditions and our memories for our families. At the same time, second homes are costly assets, often requiring 12 months of expense without 12 months of use. The owners will frequently journey to the same destination in order to justify their investment, rather than exploring new and exciting places they want to see. So I knew if we could create a way for second homeowners to leverage the investment that they've made to be able to travel to other places around the world, we'd really have something. So I created Third Home. Third Home is simple and easy to use. By making weeks available in their second home for other members' use, our members earn credits or keys. These keys can be used as currency for stays at other Third Home properties. Once you've earned your keys, you can visit our secure website and book any other available property immediately, day or night. We're not a traditional exchange program. We do not require a direct or simultaneous exchange with another member. With other programs out there, find a willing trader with the exact property and the dates required. Well, that's a challenge. With Third Home, literally, every property listed is available to you. The scale and the quality of the Third Home portfolio is unmatched. You can choose from destinations like London, Paris, Italy, Aspen, or Napa, just to name a few. In addition to private homes, you'll find many located in branded private residence clubs and developments that have endorsed Third Home. And we're very selective, only accepting well-appointed properties and locations that are amongst the most desirable in the world. To ensure a superior experience for our members, we solicit a review from both the guest and the host for every stay and require good standing to remain in the Third Home Club. The reasons to join are many, and yet the expense for participating, for those that qualify, are nominal. Our members literally save thousands of dollars versus hotel rates in just making one reservation per year. To learn more or become a member, call us or visit our website. You'll wish you'd done it sooner. I look forward to welcoming you to our club.